Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about parts of a flower. Although flowers differ in shape and sizes, the anatomy of a flower is usually the same: sepals, petals, stamen, and carpel. The four walls are calyx, corolla, the brightly colored, the stamens or the male part of a flower, that is the androecium, or the female part of a flower, gynoecium. We have also learned about complete flower having when all the four whorls are present in a flower, that is called a complete flower. And incomplete flower is defined as a flower missing any of its parts in its natural form. If either petals or sepals or stamens or pistil is missing, then that flower is called as incomplete flower. Now, different parts of a flower. A typical flower has four main parts: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. All the four main parts are arranged in four walls. You have the calyx or sepal, you have the petal, this one is the stamens or androecium, and this one is gynoecium or the pistil part of a flower. Now today we'll be learning about two parts of the flower, that is the calyx and corolla. Calyx is the green portion or also known as the sepal, the green portion. So what is calyx then? It is the outermost first wall of the flower. It is usually green in color. It consists of a green leaf-like structure called sepals. The sepal encloses and protects the flower in the bud stage. Alright, so the outermost first wall of a flower, and usually green in color, it consists of green leaf-like structure called sepals, and it encloses and protects the flower in the bud stage. Next, we have corolla, the brightly colored. It is the second inner wall of a flower. It consists of brightly colored, large and scented structures called petals. They protect the other essential whorls of a flower and help in pollination. We will be learning about pollination in the next class. So, class, this is what we'll be learning for today. We have learned that flower has four main parts: calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. All the four main parts are arranged in four walls. Now, today we have learned only about calyx and corolla. Calyx, it is the outermost first wall of a flower, usually green in color, consists a green leaf-like structure called sepals. The sepal encloses and protects the flower in the bud stage. And corolla, it is the second inner wall of a flower. It consists of brightly colored, large and scented structures called petals. They protect the other essential walls of a flower and help in pollination. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today.